for his whistling. And I said, Steve, I do not know how to whistle, and he was going to give me lessons. But there's so many things I want to do in life.
Do I need to
I don't want to take lessons of Anyway,
No, it's gone.
our next performer has done everything to everyone. When he came here when Richard Skipper was here to interview us on radio. He has a radio show online. And then he started doing movies. And then he's doing the show, somebody is writing him a show, he's doing readings. I mean, he just had a radio show and now he's a legend in his own mind. No, he really is. He's wonderful.
And mine.
The wonderful Tim Moss. Get your tickets, 10 left.
Yes, there's 10 left for Sumatsuki's show. Hello.
Only half of you can come.
Yeah. I have to tell you, firstly, I want to thank you. I want to thank you so much for coming out tonight in the snow and the slush and all of that. Everybody coming out here, you are my favorite people in the world, I'm telling you. Thank you very much. I've told you a few secrets here at the Iguana, and I think I've let this secret slip before too, but hold on to your panties. I'm gay.
No, say it isn't so.
You just broke my heart.
Oh, sorry. No, but this song is for Phil. In actuality, I grew up in the Midwest, and in the 70s, there was no such thing as gay then. Nobody talked about it, nobody mentioned it. I thought I was crazy, actually, but one night, the most beautiful man in the entire area, he had come along with a big group of us, and we went to the drive-in movie theater. And we were all had blankets laid out, and he was laying beside me under the stars, and we're watching the movie. And all of a sudden, in the dark, the most gorgeous man that I had ever seen reaches his hand over in the dark. And he touched me. He put his hand in mine, and then he touched me. I felt a sudden tingle when he touched me, a sparkle, a glow. Oh, he knew it. It wasn't accidental, no, he knew it. He smiled and seemed to tell me so all through it. He knew it. I know he's real, and the world is alive and shining. I feel such a wonderful drive toward Valentine. Oh, he touched me. I simply have to face the fact he touched me. Control myself and try to act as if I remember my name. 'Cause he touched me. He touched me, and suddenly nothing is the same. 'Cause he touched me. He touched me, and so nothing is the same. Well, now, the last one was dedicated to Phil. He's my boyfriend. That's a new boyfriend. I absolutely adore him. And actually, this song goes out to him too. What the hell?
He's adorable.
Oh, you might have to help me out when I come in. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, just like to tell me when to come in.
Oh, all right.
For once in my life, I have someone who needs me, someone I've needed so long. For once unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once I can say, this is mine, you can't take it. Long before I knew someone warm like you could make my dreams come true. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it's hurt me before. For once, I have someone I know won't desert me. I'm not alone anymore. For once I can say, this is mine, you can't take it. Long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. Let's listen to some Bill Zeppo and some Sonny McSain. Mine, you can't take it. Long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone. For once